Todd, that's right. Palm Beach County leaders say they're doing everything they can to make sure that if any homeowners or property owners on the Intercoastal Waterway or next to the ocean are placed into the flood map, that it's correct and not an error.
I think we have an obligation to our residents and taxpayers and visitors and everyone who lives and visits Palm Beach County to ensure that the federal government is using data and information wisely and appropriately.
FEMA has identified 1,900 acres by the Intracoastal Waterway and the ocean that will be added to the flood zone, which would mean thousands of homeowners could have to purchase flood insurance if they have a mortgage. The county plans to submit an appeal for that new flood insurance rate map because county leaders say there are multiple issues with FEMA's data.
Our approach all along has been to ensure the right people are in the right flood zones. We want to have the right risk shown.
Once finalized, the map will not only outline which homes are now in the flood zone, but it would adjust current flood insurance rates for people already in flood zones. County Water Resources Manager Jerry McBrien gave the County Commission an update this week about this process. He says the federal government has not updated this map for the eastern part of the county since the 70s.
I think, we've had a year of very challenging economic times. And so if we can continue to relieve some of the pressure economically on our community, and if this is a way to do it to ensure that the data is used appropriately, then I think we have an obligation as local government to do that on behalf of our residents.
He says one issue, FEMA's data for the Boynton Inlet led to inaccurate modeling in the Lake Worth Lagoon. He says FEMA also used 5 hurricanes and tropical storms as examples from their modeling, including some from the 60s and 70s. And we reached out to FEMA for a comment about this, but we have not received a response at this time. Now, once the county files its appeal, which is expected to happen by mid-July, FEMA could take another few months before they make their final determinations. Reporting live in Palm Beach County, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.